Hey, what's up, VChain holder? Congratulations, all VChain holder. Because after a very long time, VChain will pumps up, and definitely the price is starting increasing. As you can see here, my friend, plus 2.63%. The price is increased. So that's clear, my friend. As you can see here, after this point, my friend, as you can see here, the price will starting moving upward, and I'm so happy. I'm very shocked to how is it possible to they will starting moving upward like that. So therefore I will just in only my friends recommend you, I just invite you my friends to FU or subscribe our YouTube channel. So I will give you guarantee to you will earn a lot of money in the crypto. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get 100% chance, my friend. And those are my friend, the VChain price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. So therefore I am so happy, and I note my friends one mistake, and those is of holders, so they are starting selling. So don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. Absolutely, if a holder are starting selling, so the coin will dumps down. So therefore I like it, and I know my friends to upcoming time there is a chance to they will something do something new, my friend. So please holder, don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.